morning, everybody. My name is Joanna. Today, I'll be performing a show titled A Jigsaw Piece That Ran Away.
Competition.
A Jigsaw Piece That Ran Away.
Have
Have you heard the story about a jigsaw piece that ran away? If you haven't, come here now and try to see the video. Thank you. I'll start my performance. There was once a box in the corner of the room.
I already took away the impact. That's
It's very boring here. I'm going to run away. Straight away, a big food thrown at her.
My poor babe. Mommy's speech really very old, no?
Then, bicycle ran over high.
Oh no.
Ding ding, ding
I
ding,
see some
ding ding.
opportunities.
But worst of all, a dog picked her up in the mouth. Tried to bury her in the room. A man singing the garden picked her up. Oh, it's just a bit of a little puzzle.
See here?
The man threw the jigsaw piece over the hedge back onto the street. How silly I am! How I missed my books and the rest of the gang! We're here! Come join us! You know you little ass! We know you! Then he gathered around the wood the jigsaw piece that ran away. The child. What's missing jigsaw? How I wish to live this all day long. Thank you. Hooray!